In this video, we'll show you how to replace the printhead on your Canon PIXMA printer. First, make sure the printer is turned on. Now, press the Setup button on the control panel. Press the right arrow repeatedly until Maintenance appears on the display. Then, press the OK button. Select Start Replacement Then press the OK button. Next, open the cover. Move the ink valve lever to the left. When you see this screen, press the OK button. Wait for the printhead holder to stop before proceeding to the next step. Now, lift the printhead cover and remove the printhead. Now we're ready to install a new printhead. Peel off the protective tape on the printhead and be careful not to touch these parts of the device. Install the printhead carefully. Make sure you don't come into contact with the printhead cover or you may damage the printhead. Then, lower the printhead cover until you hear a click. Next, push in the blue joint buttons firmly until you hear a click. If you're unable to press the joint buttons, try locking the cover again. Now, move the ink valve lever back to the right and finally, close the cover. Congratulations! You've just replaced the printhead on your Canon PIXMA printer. Thank you for watching.